Hi guys, VST here with Aspect Tech, and this happened last Friday, guys. So last Friday I was with my wife on theater, and I handed over my phone to my wife. I wanted her to check some pics of the kids, and then another woman decided to just stand up. You know, the show was not yet in. Stand up, you know, walk past me, and by doing this, she accidentally kind of like touched my wife, which resulted into my wife dropping my phone from almost 2 meters on a concrete surface.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Alright, so yeah, and then it happened. If you like my videos, you can subscribe for my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and you can also click on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you. Alright guys, the good news is that, you know, the phone was alive.
Oh my God!
I acted very cool, like I don't really care, no problem. You know, my wife was really very much upset. The other woman said, you know, I hope it didn't happen because of me. Yes, of course because of you, you goddamn beep. But at the end of the day, you know, my wife actually handed the phone over to me. I was actually using the phone with the sandstone case, which, you know, is pretty much no protection at all. And then the phone just landed on its surface, guys. And okay, it wasn't so bad because this happened while I removed it, but I just want to show you, and you can see by the pictures how bad it was. So this here, guys, are the pictures, what you can see on the screen, alright? And then this picture again. And then it had also the hit in the middle, right? And you know, by some chance, 2 days ago, I went to Citytel and I wanted them to install a 9H tempered glass protection because, you know, my kid actually dropped the phone some days ago and somehow, you know, broke or scratched the stock folio and made it really unusable, right? So I am the guy that will never put a case and, you know, a screen protection, but this was 5 years ago. And then, you know, there is one problem, guys. The goddamn phones became very expensive. So this phone cost me 500 euro. And if it would have been broken, guys, I would have really, yeah, you know, I mean, imagine it's your phone, eh? It's 500 euro. I cannot get out there and just spend it every day like this, eh? I can afford this, let's say, once a year, and then hopefully just make sure that I'm gonna get through the whole year with this phone and do some nice videos that you guys like. And but that happened. So at the end of the day, here I think the impact was here, and then the impact was also here, guys. Notice that one, and then there was a big impact here. But why am I making this video, guys? I'm making this video to let you know, guys, if you really have small kids around or you're like an active user like me, then make sure, guys, that you protect your phones, because things like this happen and they're really real. And when you have protection, it's nice. Now I am going to install now a next level shit on my phone with UV glue, because I don't want to have a protector, guys, that surrounds the whole screen, or display the whole surface of the protector is surrounded by a black frame. And you can see by these pictures here why I don't like this. Can you see here? It kind of impacts, you know, the way you use the phone. It also impacts, you know, your view angles, apparently, when you look at it from both angles. So this one is quite nice. Actually, it's a no-name one, but it's okay. Very, I think you can see very big, very fat, you know, screen protector. But it did save my phone. Now I'm gonna get a new one, guys. I'm gonna put it and I'm gonna do a review of this. I was really not a big fan of, you know, putting UV glue and then glue it with UV lamp, but I've been made sure that it will not really harm my phone, guys. And guys, here is the replacement. Alright, so we have here at the bottom Nano Optics Universal Unifa Phone Accessory Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector Glass for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Nanoscale light, so this is the UV light included inside. Nanoscale liquid, I think that's just a fancy name for the glue. Sensitive touch, filter blue light apparently on the screen, high definition, and prevent fingerprints. But look at this, here this is really very funny. So what we have at the back, glass full cover premium tempered, the latest generation curvy border glass membrane, premium tempered glass protected product features. And here, I mean, just look at this. I've never been up in an airplane, maybe plane before, and he had read a lot about maybe air accidents. So one day when a friend offered to take him for a ride in his old small plane, or maybe plane. I mean, how the hell does this connect to everything else? I'm not sure, but I would say somebody just did a wrong copy-paste. Anti-fingerprint, anti-fingerprint all coding, avoid spots and reduce the fingerprint on the screen. Surface hardness 9H, which we know is kind of like fake, compared of the Mo HS scale, but alright. Slim tempered glass only 0.33 mm. The TPU glass films I think are 0.2, so okay, I'll take this like 0.13 mm for better protection. ASF, anti-shattered film, nanoscale optic adhesives are fully adsorbed. I'm not even sure that this word exists, but okay, it is what it is. So let's put it on my phone, see what is the installation process, and see what happens after that. Guys, now that's the moment of truth. So I have prepared everything inside the curved glass package. We have the glue, right? So here we have the glue, and here, guys, we have the UV lamp, which apparently is made to use USB-C. And I can tell you, it does look like if a 2 years old kid did it. But anyway, it's here, and I'm gonna hook it up to my OnePlus USB cable just to see if it works. Jesus Christ! I just hope that I can connect it. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, I'm just thrilled. Okay, it works. What you also will need, perhaps, a pair of baby wipes to just clear off the excessive glue, and maybe also some soft tissues, guys. So let's see. I know the inside there should be also inside the pack. So this is the protector itself. All right, we'll leave it here. And just remove the glue. And here, guys, we have something that is called screen protector accessories. So I'm gonna open this one here. And inside we should have a wet wipe and also something to cover the grill here, which is the speaker at the front and also at the bottom. And guys, very, very important also, you need to remove, of course, the case. So let me remove the case. By removing the case, I'm gonna actually leave my phone bare naked, as his mother, born him. We have a saying in Bulgaria, probably not the same in English. Anyway, who gives a beep? Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna clean it up, guys, a little bit. Just don't want anything to come across. And okay, alright. So here we have the dust absorber, right? And here we have, so here, guys, we have the dust absorber, and apparently we have also the guide sticker. So you need to place the stickers here, right, to just cover all the ports, and also here, okay, to just make sure that no glue will get inside. All right, probably also, if you're a big fan like me, you can also cut off some more protection and just cover also the buttons here and the buttons here. And actually this is what I'm gonna do, just to be 100% on the safe side. Now, guys, I'm totally devastated. The first time I was not able to do this thing. I had to remove the glass, and I had to use some spirits to kind of clear the glue. Let's see. I don't think that I'm really satisfied with the result, but applying a screen protector to a curved glass is apparently very, very heavy, right? So, yeah. Alright, let's see what happens in the end. Yes. I think I managed to apply it for the second time. Honestly, it's not my thing. I'm not able to do it. I'm not sure. Maybe that's not good quality. I just seen a bunch of guys on YouTube doing this, so apparently I will just take the fact that I'm not able to do it. Doesn't look that bad, you see. But at the end of the day, I am not happy with this, so I'm just gonna remove it, guys. And actually, even it's not, I just put it here so you can see how it looks like. Honestly, I'm not too much impressed. Yeah, I will really stick with a TPO film, so I will remove that one, guys, not use it. And I think it just said if you put a phone, if you put a case, or if you put a screen like this on a phone like this, it just doesn't fit, you know, guys, in the best way. So don't really have the best experience with the UV glue. I was really afraid and frustrated, scared to not really ruin my speaker, because you see the speaker grill is so tiny. Luckily everything is just fine, it works. So I will just, you know, remove it. I already did. I will put my phone into the sandstone case and just use it like this, guys. It's just, and then just put a TPO film, and that's it. Alright, so take a look. So thanks for sticking around this video, and sadly this thing is not my thing, guys. Alright, so it does apparently work. If you put a lot of glue and you nail it down, I think it will work. But in the end of the day, you always will be able to notice, because see, even the second time when I apply it, guys, see how much glue I have here. It does not really cover 100% the edges. So apparently you never get that clean look like here, right? That's not really impossible. Some final thoughts about the whole quality, guys, we have here. So I'm gonna just run my favorite video, which is 4K HDR 60 frames. Right now I have the screen protector on, guys. I have cleaned again the glue for the second time. So apparently again, I'm not saying it's a bad product, I am just saying that I'm not able to put it. The glue was not enough. I screwed up the first time, I screwed up the second time, and then I said beep 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 beep, and just ended the whole process. Now I did remove the glue again, guys, so this is how the phone will look like, you know, yeah, with the protector on. Alright, so, and just so that you trust me, guys, you see I am actually removing it here, right? So in fact, I don't think that really it obscures the color somehow. So this is the protector itself. Now I'm not sure what I can do. I don't have enough or even more glue, so probably just have to throw it. 10 bucks, 10 euros out of the way. Yeah, so it does look quite okay. If you manage to put it on like this, it probably will become even almost unnoticeable, right? Now the worst thing that I was not big of, I was not a big fan of from the other protector, because it has like a black bar. So all the time, you know, you look up the video like this, you will notice this, you know, like here, right? So if you align it like this, right, so let's do it like this. Yes, I think, I mean, you really won't get your picture obscured. But even if we do it like this, there is, you know, this will actually be there forever. So I don't like this part. Right? You see here, there is like this small indent, which kind of like is normal, because again, it's a curved screen, guys. So I personally think that I'm going to keep myself on TPO films, and I will not try any more glasses. Now I'm very happy that I had the glass on when I told the story about my phone flipping from 2 meters on the surface. So hope that you find something interesting for you guys. I get like an expensive 10 euro memory, and I do hope you guys are gonna like my video and subscribe to my channel. VST over, bye!